Can y'all believe how awful this bathroom is? And would y'all believe me if I told you it's my bathroom? And it's been like this for over 10 years. Just broken and awful and grayed. The only thing I love is this shower curtain. So we're going to start with that. So first, we're going to tackle this crumbling ceiling so it doesn't all fall on our heads. We're going to grab the right tools eventually, and I'm even picking away all the little loose bits. Now, I have already put the tape on, the joint tape, and now I'm putting on the joint compound, and check this out. Now, raise your hand if you can tell what I'm doing. Is Sue messing with electrical wiring? Did Sue turn off all the electricity in the house? Yes, she did. Y'all can take a deep breath now. I turned it all off. I was so careful. And I even had my friend body double me to put it all back together again. You'll see. There's no saving these cabinets. We just need to say goodbye, bye-bye. There's the cover for the light. I don't even know how long that's been gone. And yeah, my camera cut out when I was taking this piece off, so I reshot it because it was such a momentous event to finally get that off the wall. All right, we're going to clean up all the spackle. Look at that. It looks so much better already, don't you think? Okay, but I messed up on the ceiling. I messed up big time, but we'll get back to that. Let's pick the color. Let's pick the color. Oh, do y'all hate it? I know so many of you hate it, but I freaking love it. I love it. And I took it right from the shower curtain. Now, I did have some help on this project because after at least 3 days of crying and not being able to remove the old nasty faucet, I finally had to call in my ex-husband to just go right through that with the Sawzall. It was very satisfying. All right, now back up to the ceiling, y'all. I am not smooth. I am not smooth at all. I'm not a smooth talker. I'm not a smooth dancer. And I am not smooth with the joint compound. It was terrible. You could see all my mistakes. So when in doubt, make more. Just make more texture is really what I mean here. So I just took the joint compound and then I put it on with a roller and textured the whole ceiling. I guess we'll just say this is if it's bad, make it worse. And if it's worse, maybe it'll eventually get better theory of DIY. Hey, it's working so far. And in the spirit of making it worse, I painted the ceiling the green of the walls, which I thought would be really cool. It was not. It was overwhelming. I hated it, and I eventually just painted it all blue. At least I saw the error of my ways, all right? And I love the robin's egg blue with the green. All right, I'm brave, but I'm not stupid. So I called a friend to stand next to me while I put the lights back in and reattach the electrical. How many ADHD people does it take to screw in a light bulb?
Yes, ma'am.
Ready?
Yes.
Oh my God, we did it!
Hooray.
My friend Wayne also donated the mirror and we got the faucet working. Oh my God, we are so cooking with gas right now. And look at these lights. Are they gorgeous? They're gorgeous because they work and I'm alive. All right, ta-da. Now we took out some storage, so we needed to put back in some storage. So for those of you who have been following my lives, you know that we took an old cabinet and we reinvented it and it worked perfectly in the bathroom. So I will make another video showing the before, middle, and end of how we got here. Last but not least, I just added some art and a cat. But this art, you guys, these are all just demos, except for the nude. I found her on the street. I'm sorry, I found her on the street. She wasn't like that. No, she was like that. The paint pour was a demo. The squiggly lines was a demo. All of that was just canvases that I was practicing on that I wanted to show you guys how to do something, and I used them as my art. So after I added up everything I actually paid for, minus the tissues for my tears, it was about $150. So I'm pretty happy with that. And I hope this gives you some ideas, because if I can do it, trust me, you can do it.